What's up, guys? So on my last video, I made a video about my analysis on XAUUSD, right? So guys, today I want to be showing you guys what I'm looking out for on GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD. So guys, I don't want to make this video that long. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Yeah. So guys, this is my screen of GDP USD. You can see I have a clean chart here, right? So let's go ahead and dissect what we are seeing here, right? So guys, this is on the weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, what am I seeing? First of all, let's shrink the chart. Let's shrink the chart. So we all can see that GDP USD has been in a downtrend, right? It has been in a downtrend for quite a time now. So I'll go ahead and plot my support and resistance level and place my trend line, right? So guys, first of all, let me go ahead and place a trend line. So I can see my trend line going from, excuse me, right here, right, over to this place. Okay. So this is what I can see. And you can see that right here, we have a break of what? Trend line. We have a break of trend line right here. Right, meaning that our downtrend has what resumed, because obviously this is a counter trend on the weekly. So guys, let's place our support and resistance. So I can see a zone right here. I see a zone right here. Let me highlight show this. It's looking very tiny, tiny, right? So guys, I can still go down on the daily to correct myself, place it more accurately, and other stuffs. Let's just do this for right here, right now. Let's do this. So I can see this, right? And then there is another zone below here. So I will now dive down to the daily time frame to see what it's showing me, right? Take this, wait. So this is where it is supposed to be. So what am I using? So you can see that there is this zone right here, right? There is this touch right here, these two touches right here, this touch, this one here, and this one here. So let me just place one there, eclipse on them. Then there is this touch right here. So these are the things I'm looking out for, right? So let me go down to the daily. Let me go down to the daily so I don't get you guys confused. So on the daily, you can see that it makes more sense right here, right? So this is the body of a candle. That is why I took it. And then we have another zone right around here, and another one around here. Excuse me. Yeah. And then I have another one maybe below here, right? Because that's the most recent low. So guys, what does this mean? What am I seeing? What does this mean for me, right? So it just means that my focus on this pair, right, is just around within this zone. It's just within from here, right, to right here. This is my focus. That is just what it means for me. My focus, I'm focusing around this zone, focusing to catch the move from. Is that it's. So this is my focus, guys. So this is just my focus from here down to where, down to this zone. This is my focus. This is what I'm seeing on the daily, right? We also have a zone above here, but like we also have I think around here, right? A bit up. Yeah. So we also have a zone around here, right? But I'm not focusing around this zone, right? This zone above here. This year I'm focusing on this place that I put this price range, right? So that is just my focus. And you can see that we already have a break of structure. Market pushed back a little bit and then dropped. So this market might obviously come right back into what? Into this zone, right? But let's dive down to the 4 hours to see what we are actually looking out for. So guys, you can see that this on the 4 hours, right? This on the 4 hours. Let's go ahead and place our trend line, right? This is the impulsive trend line. So I can go ahead and move this so don't get confused. So you can see that market has already rejected from this our zone, right? here, right? Although market is pushing a bit up this month, the morning, right? So, but I'm expecting market not not break this zone. Market should not break this zone above here. This is my resistance zone above here. Market should not break it. So market might still come up, dance a little bit around this zone, drop. So if market breaks this zone inside this, to come into this area, all I'll be expecting is another breakdown, then a retest back at this zone to take it to this downside, right? So that is just what I'm expecting on what GDP USD. This is a trade on GDP USD. So guys, you can still go ahead and place your counter trend line. And so go ahead and place your counter trend line, right? So you can see that this bounce on this Monday morning is going off of this what counter trend line right here. Let me remove this, right? So this is just what I'm expecting. Market should not break this my zone. Let me put on this right there around that place as my support, right? So this is my support, guys. This is my support. My support. This is my support zone. So that's just what I'm looking out for. Market might come above here, react here, right? Then start dropping. I will sell from here to this zone, then I'll wait for it to what? Break this zone, then retest, then I'll continue my what? Shorting. So, but all I'm looking out for is what? Shorting. Why am I looking out for shorting? The weekly is saying short, the monthly is saying short, the daily is saying short, and the 4 hours is what? Just on a retracement. And it's also giving us what? That this market might start shorting any moment from now, right? So other you might still look out for something like this, a break of counter trend line, retracement, maybe a little bit of retracement then be short, right? But that's it. We are in a downtrend. We are looking for short moves. So guys, let me go to Euro USD. So if you remember on my previous video on XAUUSD, I said that most of these pairs they correlate, right? They correlate. That means they move with one another, especially GDP USD and Euro USD, not GDP and AUD. GDP USD and Euro USD they always correlate. One might be faster and the other might be slower, but they most of the times make the same moves, right? So let me go ahead and move to my weekly time frame. Let's see the overall market trend. So you can see that this market has been consolidating, right, for quite around here. Or that consolidation now for position traders, right? So we are in a downward movement right here. We have this high right here, have this low, have this retracement, have this lower low, have this lower high, have this lower low. What are we expecting here? A lower high, then a what? A lower low. That's a drop. So that is it from my weekly. And on this weekly, I'll go ahead and then try to put up my areas of interest. So these are my areas of interest right here, right? So I think there is another zone right here. There might be a zone around here. But let's look for the major ones for that. So there is a zone right here. So let's go to the daily. Let's see. I try putting the zone around here. Yeah, there's also a zone around here, right? Yeah. So this is the overall lookout. This is the overall lookout for. So guys, you can see. So why did I put up this one around here? You can see this retracement right here. You can see another one right here. You can see another one right here. And you can see another one right here. Retracement. You can see another one right here. Right. So the market has been retracing, has been reacting, not retracing, has been reacting around that level. Right. So these are my important levels, right? My areas of interest. So I can come down to make this. Let's make this a bit more. So let's make it a bit more complete. Yeah. So guys, this is it. This is it. And what can I see here? What can I see here? Right? What am I seeing? What am I seeing? So what I'm seeing here is market is still in the downtrend. Obviously, you can see this market is still on a downtrend, on a downward move, right? And let's see that trend line that market broke on GDP. First of all, we had it like this, right? Then market came down, broke it, right? Retraced and then pushed down. So you can see that market has what broken up into this zone, right? That means this market might pull up to this zone right here. That means this market might be coming to this zone, right? This is what I mean, right? Although we have a zone inside here, look at this. We have this zone in here. We have this zone in here. Yeah. Let me remove this. And this is where the market might be reacting from, right? You might see a little bit of consolidation, right? Market tap into this trend line, then what? Drop. Because the top touch of the trend line is very, very what? Important. So market might drop from there. But if market breaks above this, then it's coming to this zone, then we short from here. But overall, I'm looking for a short, right? Looking for a short. So you can see it makes more sense on the what 4 hours time frame. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. So it makes more sense on the 4 hours time frame. Makes more sense. Makes more sense. Yeah. Makes very perfect sense on the 4 hours. So you can short from here. But if this market fails to short from this zone, if it fails to short from here, in case it fails to short from here, then I'll be looking out for it around the this zone right here. So that is just it for Euro USD. As it just is for Euro USD. So guys, let's go to AUD USD. Right. So guys, before I continue making this video, before I continue analyzing this market, make sure to click on that subscribe button, make sure to turn on the post notification bell, and please guys like this video so that it can be recommended to as much people as possible, right? So thanks for doing that. So let's jump right back into the video. On this on AUD, right? So you can see that from the weekly, we already seeing a downtrend. So that you can see what I said about market colorations, right? You can see that what we are seeing on GDP USD and Euro USD is not the same thing we are seeing right here, right? This market has its own way of movement, but GDP USD and Euro USD is always colorating, right? So from what I'm seeing here, I think the market is still in the downtrend, right? You still say the market is in the downtrend overall on the weekly, right? So let's go ahead and plot out our zones. Let's go ahead and plot out our zones. I think I have a zone here. Let's start from the top. Let's start from the top where the market is coming from. So there's no need to go that far. I have a zone here. Let's make it make more sense. Right. Yeah. So guys, this is a zone, right? If there is another zone here, yeah. Because of this, this, and the forward. So I think there is another. The next zone is around here. So guys, let's go down. Let's see the daily because that's where I pick up more confident zones, right? So you can see this one is correct. We have this. Though I think we should be touching this. I think this zone makes sense, right? I think this zone, yeah, it should be around here because of this one. Yeah, so something like this. So you can see the way it reacted around here. Look at what happened around here. The market got to this zone again, right? So this is why you need to be very careful when plotting these areas, of interest. And when you're plotting these areas, plot it according to your style of trading. Don't go and plot something that when you plot it today, you'll be taking a trade in the next 7 months. Whereas you're not a position trader, right? So when plotting out these zones, you have to be careful so that you don't plot zones that next 2 months, next 3 months, you haven't even taken any trades. So guys, I'm seeing another zone. I think around here. Let's pick the peak. Yeah. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is so. From what I'm seeing here, we are just within this zone. We are just within this zone, right? We are within this zone. This zone is our main focus. So let's go down and digest this zone in particular, right? So let's go down. Let's go down to the 4 hours. So we just add that on the day. So on the 4 hours, there is nothing to look out for. You can already see the market is on a support, on a resistance zone. Sorry, market is already on a resistance zone. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a short trade. We're looking for a short, right? So if anyone has, this is what I was saying on that EURUSD, I think, right? So you can see the way market pulled up, pulled back down into this. This is a good buy, right? This is a good buying signal. So the same way market is reacting around here, I'll go ahead and put up a trend line just in case. Trend line, a big counter trend line. So you can just call this a counter trend line because this is a very trend line, right? So if market comes down to react here, there is every tendency that market will what continue pulling what up, right? This market might just come back up to this zone because as you can see, it has not broken this low, right? So you have to be very careful when trading this AUDUSD, right? Don't be buying when you should be selling, and don't be selling when you should buy them. Right now, we are just at an area of interest right here, right? Market might decide to break it, right? Retrace, continue, then come back again, then long, right? If market gives me a shorting signal, that I don't have any bias on this. Market gives me a shorting signal, then I'll short. Why don't I have any bias on this? You can see that sincerely speaking, market has been consolidating, right? Market is just consolidating. And you can see market just deceived so many people. This stop loss taking, right? These are stop loss taking. Market consolidated for a very long time, then pulled out to the downside. A lot of people will be shorting here. Market came back all the way to the top. Came back all the way to the top. That means market there is a higher tendency. From what I'm seeing, there is a higher tendency that this market might continue what bullish. This market might continue bullish. I'm saying it again, right? So don't go and just short it because it's at your resistance level, or buy it because it's at your support level, right? So this market might just break this zone, or else pull down to this trend line, just like I said, react at it, then continue to this to this zone. TP1 will be around here, then final TP will be above here. So this is just what I'm seeing around these pairs, right? This is just what I'm seeing around these pairs. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, if it was educative, right? If you learned something, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, and like this video. Please guys, like this video, I'm begging, so that it can get shared, it can get referred to as much people as possible. So guys, thanks for watching.